Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a Korean Instant Ramen Upgrade and make this delicious bowl of noodles. The beauty of ramen is, there are no rules. You can be as creative as you want, which is great when you're using leftovers. I'll start by cooking our eggs in boiling water. After 8 minutes, put them in ice water to cool them down before they get peeled. Let's cut some zucchini into rings. Then for the bok choy, I like to julienne the leaves and save some of those for later. Cut a few cherry tomatoes in half. Cut some scallions on a long diagonal cut. I like my ramen spicy, so I'm going to chop up a whole serrano pepper. And julienne some red onion. I'm also going to cut some tomato to use in the broth. I had a chicken breast left over from dinner that I want to take the skin off of and then dice the meat. Now we can start making our ramen by adding some sesame oil to the pot and cooking our chicken skin until it gets nice and crispy. Most instant ramen broths are salty and lacking body, so I'm going to use tomato to help with both of these. Cook the tomatoes until they're soft, then add the seasoning packet to toast the spices really quickly before adding the water to the pot. Then I just need to add everything to the pot that was already cut and let it boil. I also had spinach in the fridge, so I threw that in too and then cooked all this until the noodles were ready. For some extra flavor, I added sesame oil and black and white sesame seeds to the bowl before I added the noodles. I made a little garnish with the bok choy leaves, scallion, red onion, serrano, a splash of rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Top the ramen with our egg, crispy chicken skin, and cilantro, and you have a delicious Korean instant ramen upgrade in about 20 minutes. Thanks for watching everyone. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment on what your favorite ramen hacks are. See you next time.